Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Ford Explorer XLT in gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7176.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.